Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, I'm Sean, and today we're back at it with another tool review video. Today we're going to be reviewing our new 3-inch composite air cutoff tool. We're going to let you guys know if it's worth it, if it stands up to the test as we cut the steel plate out of our 1966 Chevy C20's bed. So this runs about $19.99 at Harbor Freight, plus you have to get some cutoff wheels, and that's about $8. All in, you're just under $30, and that's really not bad when the competitors are about $100. If you guys like this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date on all the new tool review videos that we're going to be having as we finish the truck build here and the house restorations that we have going on. Don't forget to like the video as well. That way we know you guys actually want to see more of this kind of stuff, and YouTube will share it with other people who want to see it as well. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. There you're going to find some behind the scenes stuff that you're not going to see here on YouTube. Without further ado, we're going to open this up, and everything's already pretty much assembled. All we have to do is add the cutting wheels. And the first impression I have of this tool is that it's very well constructed. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels pretty strong, and it's got like a medium weight to it. We'll have to oil a little bit of the parts here just to try to get them on there. Our adapter is a little older, and it also requires that you add oil to the lines. We'll show you that in a few minutes here. To add the cutoff wheel, we're going to use the two special tools they gave us here. One seems to be proprietary and the other one is just an Allen key. Undo the bolt on the top, slide the wheel on, and then tighten that bolt back down. Now this proprietary tool here holds the wheel from turning so that you can actually loosen and tighten the bolt. And once you have that done, it's time to use the tool. Harbor Freight recommends anything over a 29-gallon compressor for this tool. Now that everything's connected, we're going to go ahead, we're going to plug it in. But the first thing we're going to do is add a little oil to the line. Why? Because it's recommended. And we're going to go ahead and plug it into our compressor. Now we have two compressors. We have a 20-gallon and a 6-gallon. Unfortunately, the 6-gallon is not recommended here, and we didn't realize that at first. So it really drains down all the air pretty fast. And the 20-gallon, it does state on the box that it will be intermittent, and it sure is intermittent. Harbor Freight recommends you use anything over a 29-gallon compressor, and you'll see in this video why. This tool uses a lot of air, and it drains down the smaller tanks very quickly. But that's a big thing that you need to look into when you're buying this tool, which we didn't do. So it was going to be impossible for us to cut through this steel plate using this specific tool. It seemed like every 3 to 5 minutes I'd have to stop and let the compressor fully charge. If you guys listen closely here, you can see what I'm talking about as you can hear the compressor and the tool wind down. And here I am frustrated because it seems as though I'm waiting every 3 seconds and I'm not getting anywhere. In fact, I was only able to cut one weld out of this entire bed before I had to give up and find a new option. All in all, I think this tool is a really good tool. It's solid, it's made well, it does its job, but if you don't have the right size compressor, 29 gallons and up, you won't be able to work on any substantial projects for any length of time. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you stuck around this long, we know you love it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you stay up to date on all the tool review videos that we have going on as we continue to build on the 66 and the house restorations. While you're at it, don't forget to like the video. That shares this video with everybody else there on YouTube who are into this kind of stuff as well. And don't forget, if you want to see some behind the scenes content, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. And until next time, keep building.